AAG recommends this terrace house. Spacious living room. Let your imagination run wild to transform this house. Cozy dining area. Functional kitchenette for those who love to cook. Spacious master bedroom that can fit a good-sized bed. Spacious bedrooms for your family. With the right furniture, you can bring out the true charm of this home. This unit is move-in condition. Call our AAG real estate consultant to find out more. AAG, the #1 top division in orange tea and tie.